For ExpertVillage.com, this is Matt Friedman, owner of the Blue Creek Candle Company. In this clip, we'll be talking about today's candle recipe. To find out more about my candles, please visit my website. Now, you may have a question as to why I chose golden yellow to make my sunflower color. Keeping in mind that sunflowers are not lemon yellow bright, so we want to go with a yellow that's a little bit darker than that. And also it has a brown center in the middle of the sunflower. So what I found is that this particular golden yellow that I have has a very slight tone of brown in it. So I think that it creates the whole overall color effect of a sunflower, encasing the brown and the yellow together. So we're going to go ahead and pour this now. Got our wick is nice and straight. Let me pour from this way. And pour kind of slowly. Make sure there's not a lot of air bubbles in there. And again, we're using a soy wax, and this is a one pour wax. So once we've got it poured, all we have to do is let it cool. I'm going to fill this up just a little bit more. And there you go. Then we're going to take our wick pin. We're going to hold our wick up in the middle and let it rest against that wick pin. That way it'll stay up. We won't have any problems about keeping that centered. Now all we have to do is let it cool off. The candle will be ready to burn in about 2 hours. There you have it. Nice, quick, simple, easy recipe. That's how you make candles.